So a real quick video on how to clean your mass airflow sensor, your MAF, on your STI or WRX. First things first, car needs to be cool, turned off. You can't clean it while it's on the car and energized. I've already got the 2 screws taken out of this, so it's easy. There's usually 2 screws and then a plug. Sensor's always on your intake tube. So just pull the plug, take your screws out, pull the sensor out, and be real easy with it because you don't want to drop it or harm it in any which way. We're mainly focused on cleaning the hot wires. You can see there's one right there, and there's a few up in there. You can't really see them, but we'll get over here to the bench. I usually use a CRC MAF cleaner. So go over here to the bench and show you how to clean it. All right, now we're over to the bench. You can see CRC recommends that you spray 10 to 15 sprays. So you want to wear some gloves, and you don't want to touch the spray nozzle to the wires themselves. You know, just kind of get everything good. Let it dry in between sprays a little bit. But once you get it good and clean, you need to let it set for 5-10 minutes to let it dry thoroughly before reinstallation. So I usually let mine set for about 10 minutes just to make sure. So we'll let it set for 10 minutes, put it back on the car. As far as reinstallation goes, it's the same process, just reverse of how you took it out. Only thing to note is that the little O-ring that goes around the sensor, you may just want to check it to make sure it's not ripped, overstretched, or whatever. You just may need to replace the O-ring so you got a good seal. Other than that, that's about it. It's a pretty simple process. Should take you less than 10 to 15 minutes overall. If you like the video, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.